Did you know that you can actually handwrite directly on your Samsung calendar using the S Pen? To do so, open Samsung Calendar app and then tap the right icon at the top right. Now remove your S Pen and then use it to jot down notes, mark important days, or even doodle. For example, if you have a meeting on the 20th, you could simply write meeting at 2 p.m. right on that date. Once you are done, tap Save. One thing to remember, your handwriting will only be visible when you return to the write mode. It will not show on the standard calendar view. This makes it perfect for quick personal notes or reminders that you don't want cluttering your main schedule. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.